Ebusia for Mimamu Aquaba Shonko Eba 2GH Entertainment Strength. Midin Edna na ama Owusana Dane Dano when him said just the Bemusea Nami Tesamijumu Edra Edi Achechimu Ede Achemu. Now, for last week, ABC a year and ne a day a year a brand bakawa trendy pa social media space here. A year young Kasaya musician Shatta Wale. Na Ninya eso ejina a year Rift Kakrebia eba one any former militant group member bako emumiche joint 77 a year last week one and beto just say even in an interview I cost to say radio program air cost no na year Shatta Wale calling in. Now, calling in awfully offended by some of the statements I hear joint 77 any two dry fan who am out of anger no or sack Kosuka say after show no or Jinica Eddie fee a joint 77 honum. Now, Paso afterwards you say video be able to da Oma and Kofo Ako a joint 77 ho Ako Jika no efinitim. But later on reports about Bonte no Shatta Wale and Kasemu Ete Cheleka said Kano one Shatta and Jane free a joint 77 honum Satana a Ghana for you na Bibu fro NCM. Na din name on and 7 year Akote Akodana a year Saturday way the United show a na Ama McBrown or Tesu as host our interview a year celebrities and no motor train come for my problem. This time around there or invitee a year controversial musician Shatta Wale Eba on board. Now on Shatta Wale train come on na a copy about Sikasem business wise of the music industry. A honum and na asema or taika wakada say Ghana for the donani na nyadrin still now to say in finimuye say Ghana for ni nyadrin say and nunti on sana drink that be still now to say sadin train e wo mu osade to dwa e wo na Ama McBrown ni show ne so na sadin train no efa e Sikasem e wo industry no patch say ye wo mo to hip life e wo industry no ye ke sika pa de e bi wo mo ni bi o mo ye hia for pe hia mo e wo music industry but just the show off into won't me enka na waka no and also sudden any bread equity a year ready rastone and sentem no one year just on year beef then danger our social media so essence ka same way our sack of boss bi say ready rastone eka a year enkofo wo mu nisika e wo Ghana ha anto fo mu nisika na nam so nti o ton wache no kire mu bi say no panti na a year ready rastone o ton wache nti sika any industry mo mo me hip life for no wo mu any sika enu nti so obi ne nya adwe a wo mra bonte ene ne be kontokwa na o ka asem no eto wo no ampa so Echi omo ni enya adwen omo ba ponten abetwom adwen e de afa eye ensema Shatta Wale ekoka ye ewo eye the United show no eso na we de eye obi ayete ne nka acha kakra na so enim se owo ho a no se musician Praye Tietia enwasema e na meka na Praye Tietia e ba bonten na sema wo ka no wa twe ne pen tintin na Instagram just a message or that to there otumi se obetumi a trust story pa because emu wa pa na busa for I mean can a year the message of the better or they directed to a year Shatta Wale now if you are you the era a year and komono emun way every Tietia was saying brother at Shatta Wale Nima many are those before you who sacrificed a lot to build an industry for all of us to join. The music industry years ago took blood, sweat, passion and pure talent to entertain Ghanaians for love and country. Legends like Reggie Rastone and others sacrificed to pave the way for us in the hip life and Afrobeat, including people who sacrificed and groomed you, bandana, for absolutely nothing. You reach past all of us, you wakayate, but I can assure you, your so-called riches won't make top 10 list of rich musicians, even in our neighboring Nigeria, here nor south. So, bruh, enough of the disrespect to Ghanaian artists, producers, DJs, and the entire industry you came to meet. Many artists are very comfortable, but they don't need to brag and disrespect others like you do. Davido and Wizkid are the two of the richest musicians in Africa, but they don't find the need to disrespect their predecessors. You they embarrass yourself and Ghanaian musicians to the world. No personal beef here, just common sense and morals being shared. We have had it with the gross disrespect and ridiculing at any given chance. Brag all you want, but learn to respect people who have made sacrifices for you to eat today. There were people before you, and there will be people after you. We are all grown men and women who also have families. you don't open your mouth and spill anything anyhow. Utumu say Praye Tietia ni bofu pa ni anje bako ewo ensema fish atawale ano eba ebra o address past musicians ni artists ewo industry say womo ehiafo they say ohia bubro pa na adokro ma womo nu omo ho hwe a wono pe na Ghana ha case ka for wetimi ede ne sabo ne boso so yesikani na no na Praye Tietia wo pa say gross disrespect say atawale akire say won buhwe won mu obi a ndo hunu ho say wono kwa no obi eni ho obi eni nanim obi eni ho nechi enu say no na wo ye no won kan hu ne say ansa no wo be ye Shatta krampo no ordinary etu obi so obi baye obi be ma ho kwan ansa no akata ba bonten etimi abeya nnwom sesi ada Ghana for ya twatum so no so musician enu te bi eni a wonya abotre na Ghana ha krampo no si ye case ka for ha kro won kan hu bi ye kan top 10 a onya ho baby enina na ye de akoto to Nigeria for anwum to for onum krampo no ye de no to ho kra wonya baby nyina Davido ni Wizkid wo hin na Shatta ni sika no ebedunte be ya onya abotre no ombra from no one for obuo ema wo ma di kan abe pavy way no edi amano na we say na ensem no kwa ultimate say odi message we ebe to ono nkofo dodo na betray support behind him maybe so abekasa etia no na one of those people am betray support edinachi atipalago ayonu say ono so Shatta one big enemy pa nebusafo say na ensem no ekode ehu behia pa say too much age ye besi hu enkonya ne discuss enuti matunsa edi afam yankasa menwa eba alidi edi Iris Benson ni tichebre ye twan ho edi abaye ba ye de nkombo no ebe hihye so.
Black people, you black boys are poor. Everybody should come out and come and fight you. I am saying that when you were stone. Yeah.
Fiti ni asese ni din and your friend saying mechanic. Sana prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no. Baby a me hwe bia ma change afro and ma ba too much GH. Hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe.
Me mama akwaba bia me eba too much GH. Iris, bibi aboko.
Me adumo now say.
Ami adom me so me ho Iris, here bibi wa say. For some time now no Shatta has been hating at Reggie Stone. Say on Jai so bragging so hip life godfather that's at the end then grandpapa no. On Jai so one bragging found because he is poor. Even to the extent say ni watches say no crampo no dia ka say no evidence of poverty say oya poor auntie no auto watch and it say they wa come ewo Nana Mama Brown the show you YouTube so you na wo dream fa and something near
Okay, first of all, make sure with you for and what Shatta is doing per se, and you're right. The reason why I'm saying you're right and say obito on watch it for a living. It's not a bad thing. You get it? Uncle Ria na into prison. Now no so made any news for we Ghanaians and the only thing if he's not making money out of the music industry, what is he going to do? That's the only thing maybe he can survive out for. Instead of now also saying on shows and then say a whole lot about him. Go to the internet so and then you're making your money out of Facebook, YouTube and other stuff. That's you. It's you that you're making your money out of that place. And also Phyllis said the way he can make his money is to sell wache outside. And it's not a bad thing. For that one, I don't support Wale in it.
You don't support Wale in it. But from the way I also bring out the statement, to me who say all he wants to say like they didn't make enough out of their talents. So more talents as musicians, use it to their own benefit. And they are poor and they have to do other things to back their.
This music industry something on and off. Okay, into more time, no, it's not like Shatta more time. And the scholar why they can support them in anything. And he shouldn't be saying that because Reggie Stone is on your collar. Or starting music, it's not today. You get it? Or starting it's not today. If they could get something beneficial out of our industry, so maybe almost side no or more music industry na mbo no like and there what Shatta mo or mo nya mo ho eye de mo pe bia.
Now only say he's rather like in some way he's trying to push them to try harder, to work harder, to rebrand themselves. Someone come in a different way where they can make money because the artists like yeah compare Ghanaian artists to Nigerian artists. You do baby ayo. We are moving on even with any kind of genre of music because yeah risky the genre of music it's like something like hip lifestyle be with Afro beats be David also goes that same way. But they are making it out there. They are making money out there, and it's almost Chinese or like foreign countries. They are being signed by foreign
them
countries.
Like this. They are determined. Oma, your imagine say this what I want in life. Like this their aim. Like that's what they want. Not like the Ghanaians. Look at Shatta Wale for instance. Oh yeah, musician, dancehall artist, right? Now say oh tunjum. Excuse my language. Your mother. And a whole lot. How do you expect outsiders like Nigeria for say? How do you expect them to support your music? And that's one Betty. Fine, they'll listen to it, they'll even make fun of you, say. And then it's not even right. In Kola or Moba, maybe on Betty Shatta in the track, not see your mother in the track. It's not nice. It's not nice. I don't want to say, oh yeah, be a man. So on yeah, she a cross idea. I don't know yeah, a cross idea because if you are really talented, now when you be oh yeah, musician, dance or artist, let's compare Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy. Maybe most people won't agree. So what say like, I think in America says Stonebwoy is far better than Stonebwoy in the tracks. Run go like if you listen to the track and if Ghana or say Ghana says yeah, here fun and heading. Where are we going?
Okay.
You see, it's like in some womb, what's your track now? In some womb, unlike your mother, go tell your father. Like, what is the meaning of that? And what are you trying to tell we the youth coming? No. Say you are teaching us how to insult people. Maybe in a way, say your name penimpo kasampo your mother, your father. It doesn't make sense. At least say something that will encourage we. Say yes so, and like we need to be determined and then do this. Me for Stonebwoy is my #1 fan because the tracks via Obe Bobia there is sense in it.
I was assuming I'm cocaine there, so I say.
I mean, sure, yes,
biased to Shatta Wale.
I'm not being biased to him because they will support him. They want to support him. Me, I don't want to support him because to me, what he's doing, he's a nice guy. He's although some are not so alright, but he's still nice. You get it?
But you go straight to the industry. You can't music wise. You can't ni features ni all that. You can't ni music concept or deba out ni musical career no. And no one sem ni busy on not ni physical features no. You no to check bacho. You fight. Okay, Mami, going to another question about statement that Shatta Wale make here or say hip life artists in general and what Pache said they are poor. Ghana here, we have so many genres of music. You have Afrobeat, Afrobeat, you have high life for hip life, no what sent out. Say hip life, those in the hip life industry, no, they are poor. And him said the founding father out there to Mobia of hip life, Reggie Rackstone. And we know that from even on Gaza Crampon, he has tried to rebrand his acts or the Babia Nasa Folly or the Babia Nasa Folly. And those who had ventured into that, almost hit back up, they also fall back. And it is Shatta Wale Kabibisa said, those people in that genre of music, they are poor. Is it not something like a push for them in the back? Say they should work harder at it. They should make something out of it.
It's a push, okay? It's a push. Say Reggie Stone into me. He's trying very hard and then he's not hitting to the pointer. He should rather sit himself down and say, hip life, it's not good for me. Now means that hip life and then I should try something else. You get it? More hip life artists are not making it well. Instead of now, you won't sit yourself down and then be like, okay, fine, this thing is not helping me out. Okay, I want to do hip life. Let me go to someone who knows more about it. And then so the person can help me out and then I can make it through the hip life I want. Maybe it's not my talent. Let me try Afro and then see. Maybe let me try dancehall and see. Maybe you can make it out of them. It's within say it's a push. Or can say they are not having money and then it's true. Most of them are not having money because they are not determined. Or more in your margin say they want it. Or yeah, or release it back and koye now we're relaxing. say the track is not. It's not like that. That means who need determination be our life. Say that's what you want.
And so what about the market? Say nipa na mo accept music. We say Ghana had the kan nyuma. Ghana phone nyuma mo pepper Afrobeat, nyuma beat womb. So that they can relate to it dance. Most of the times nyuma we are rap nature it doesn't really go down with us. Because they beat people, dance and movable people, see a movie. And Nunti say if it has to do with the marketing, even if they put so much effort in it to cramp, it will not work.
And that one is true. It's true because
Really, if you your thoughts on it, your opinion on it is what I want.
Oh
say,
yeah.
The market too has to be considered. Say,
The market too has to be
really
considered. The market too has to be considered because actually, we don't support ourselves.
Okay.
You get it? Look at Nigerians like this. Almost support your mom. I didn't see my own better say David One, a friend saying, whiskey, and your beef. They are thinking not like we Ghanaians. How many times do you see it? Omo join and they'll support each other and then they'll do what? Make it. Not like we. Maybe away, be market and then nobody is supporting or supporting a no we die because it's not working out. You need to try hard. And so but one day your star is going to shine.
I mean, kika some of the comments are go for the abaha efa Tietia ne comment I want making na yakọ Tietia so the statement or the aba out where if we those called celebs no so a blogger and be honest say hey broom shot you won't think about yours so yours you want opener to use your 10 Ghana chop money to remove your mouth for you. Hey, obro feed them. I mean, kind be why. I see, hey, broom shot. You won't think about yours. You want opener to use your 10 Ghana chop money to you remove for your wife daily insult you on. Banchi rap Praye. Follow me and let's go now to avoid troubles, or you will continue. Well. Also there about also when say Praye Tietia be ya won kan ntu na Shatta Wale am pounds one so Shatta Wale dey so wa ka say was ka you bo na usika kra o chop money a yi ma o yere 10 cedis o dey be ya assemity am dey be ya won kan ntu na asem no won forgetting we so efi let them go on also there what they about say Shatta Wale there every time he opens his mouth to talk all he says or brings out is just rubbish. How can you say you are rich? And here do you have honestly bisa asem say ono onti asede nti Shatta Wale there obi na no ana asem kwa na esi o man mu and here na Shatta Wale wa de bia de na no say me de musika ajima kununu so e there what they about say foolish talk. Do you account put any respect on God made impact on music? You always do tribals silently in the background. Now Shatta Wale is teaching you sense. On the two say we there I can anyway. We the same for can and I gan musical industry here can once me confirm here be a tribalist issue.
One mistake we Ghanaians to hear no. Say is Beni, me Fantini, Nkrani. We don't. Yes, and no, and AI didn't talk about it, and it happens to in the same thing like politicians, no. And then MPP Nibeka send the CEO on yet and I say and why is it that we are doing it like that? In Crimea that means me fancy means to mean say wonjumana.
Nana Amwa Esodia what about see even top 20 richest musicians in Africa. His name is not there. He needs to respect everyone. Sarkodie's name is on the list, but he doesn't brag. Ohima AC Brown so at there by say I feel you so respectful Micho. Those he helped cry, he collected his stuff back. Does he know what they call rich? Paulina Educhumwa so there whatever. He will always get a platform to talk this and get people to laugh at it. What you say from most of the comments, no bia any Shatta Wale anya drain from the statement or make it and Anama Brown show no so confirm say it was so disrespectful say Nisika kakra we nyano wodi treat other people in him because no feel say obi yen share Praye Tietia comment or the ba say Praye Tietia patch say Shatta Wale fan acknowledgement Emma in kind phone my bad predecessors, one my year Jumani Dadan, because in Ghana, about 10 to 20 years ago, music was going on yet, but still na sika se sika woman and ne sika no ntimi fan compare. Tete no ko show I don't think say e be peja 10,000 Ghana cedis the amount sa tete brand nti you can say that this time around no omo ba up no omo gaining more than tete there no nti say Shatta Wale ka say because of the difference in time and I said the difference in like the acceptance of the people nti obeka say ebi mu ye poor. Does it mean so I show disrespect to Omo?
Yes. Why disrespect to Omo by saying that? Why disrespect to Omo? You shouldn't have said that at the first place. Oh, sika na oh yeah, no, it's not like someone or no sika way back because all time say you can go to show and then they'll give you 10,000. And yet it's all be a or starting and a oh bano. Or no starting and maybe your back show maybe 1,000 cedis neighbor man say this is what you had. It's not like and there movie music industry ni sika wo mukakra they can support you with anything. You get it? It is na or can say they are poor and then it's not right. Anyone they want ya do.
So do you think Shatta Wale is a braggart or bragging?
Oh yes, of course, or bragging too much. You can't your friend saying you're the top 10 richest artists or dance or thing. Shatta Wale, I don't think he will be the first or second. Not talk less of third. He shouldn't be doing certain things. When you're sick, fasten of fear, and then think of yourself, think of how to make more money out of it. Not say they be out sorry, I know about a live on Facebook, live on YouTube, and then be saying unnecessary stuff about people just because Shatta Wale. Sorry to say, he normally says even the junkies, if nobody supports him, the Zongo and then the junkies will support him because of what? And also kind of why would you say that? It's why would say Profu will be supported one. You should know that Sabio, your fans, them too.
With the statement I will make it as say it's wrong and disrespectful. How far do you think Shatta Wale can go?
Well, he's not someone I should think of or like pray that he should make it. I'm not against anybody. But well, he's not my fan. And see, it is life, it is our life. You get it? We are just hoping, say, everybody makes it. You're born pie, say, we'll do what? We'll make it in life. We are not against anybody. Until when you're against someone, a time will come, God will be like, this person is not, he is not making value out of what I gave to him. Obviously, not Jeff him. Who's now, I say, Reggie Stone, and then now he's not making anything. It might be, say, next year by now, it might be that it's your turn. Also, we are not going to make it. No, so also be the wasem about piano so I can like how you got someone's own and then you are saying it. It's this world, it's vice versa. Take for that. Oh yeah, I'll be the bayo. You just know how to keep your distance away from certain things.
Yeah, Shatta Wale back in the industry, first no a bandana, it was not going on well for him. He tried. Oh, they me young crazy now we new share and some or out as bandana no do and the crampo na still na scan any hobby new say na say our say one way and or back behind the scene rebranding no year no adwuma oba out no so you can see say it's now that he's making relevance in the industry it's say now making relevance and from the rebranding no he has been able to get what he has now to say he's rich and if he has gone through that process as an artist, who say a beboa and it can help develop their craft as musicians. Now they can't don't you think the truth is always harsh, so they should accept it as the truth and work on themselves?
Fine, the truth is always harsh, but say it in the right way. And far at the so. Do you understand what I'm saying?
You are poor. I'm telling you the truth.
I'm poor. You are telling me the truth. Say yes, I'm poor.
Is it an insult?
No, it's not in an insult, but say it in a way that it will make me know, say, he's trying to advise me to push hard. Not like overcome in front of my face like that, say, I'm poor. You are making me feel bad and then you are killing me emotionally. Do you understand it?
So me catch you when him say, you are poor, work harder. Am I not pushing you?
Yes, you are pushing me. But at least, make it in a nice way that, sister ma, to see, I won't say you shame home, or say, making effort of, I can't just call you and then be like, once I'm like, won't say, why point no ko pay bi na ye. No, it's not right. Me no bet na say nkomo mu we are laughing, we are doing this. Oh, ama when you say actually nkomo, why didn't na ko pay bi na fetch money? You get it? You get my point now?
I get your point.
Yes, so he shouldn't have done that at the first place. Say it in a nice way. The pakuna you are even referring to be like, oh, maybe I will come at some pound. I need to push on.
Okay. Ebusia for komona kono so na emre so na ekotia ye nti bebe ye du ye de besi ha say kai say komo ye di obetime de wo comment abeto dia say Shatta Wale right by saying say artists omo ye into hip life music no omo ye poor, especially when you rush to no wasa bossa long standing beef face to be a artist or they hate omo say omo ye poor into omo working at omo craft no wrong we need to answer enye wrong ebiem so betimi follow TroubIe Instagram at TroubIe_. Within na ma owu so amene Iris Benson ne yesi nkonya edi nsem we enkomo that's na e be say ehye biem.